What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to verify Telegram account. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Telegram application. Once you're there, just go to community or a channel you want to verify. Suppose I'm going to this docs community and head over to their profile, and here goes their profile link right here under the description section. Just copy the link, go back, and then go to the search icon on the upper right corner, and then search for verify. And here comes the verify bot. Tap on it and click on restart or start, and just paste the link you just copied. Click on the paper pen icon, and as I don't currently have any necessary access level to verify my docs community, so I can't just verify it. If you have the access to this community, you can just verify it right away. And this is how you can just verify any community or channel or any account on Telegram. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.